everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook two-factor authentication if you've lost it in Google Authenticator. First of all, open your Facebook app and make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the gear icon at the top right to access settings and privacy. From here, go into Account Center. Then tap on Password and Security. Next, tap on two-factor authentication. Then choose your Facebook account and select Authentication app and tap on Next. Here, you will be given a code. Copy that code and open your Google Authenticator app. After that, tap on Add a code. Then select Enter a setup key. After that, in the account name field, type Facebook and in your key section, paste the code you just copied. After that, tap on Add and that's all. Your Facebook account is back in Google Authenticator. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos and thank you for watching.